Hello, it's John, your pronunciation and accents coach. Right here, you can get a better British accent. Now, the English alphabet. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet, 5 vowels, and 21 consonants. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And that is the British English alphabet. Even if you're just starting out in English, or you already know some English, revising the alphabet is always a good thing to do. And why not comment which is the hardest letter for you to say? It could be that difficult R sound, or you might get confused between G and J, for example. That's it for today. Have a great day. My name is John, and stay connected. Don't forget to subscribe.